Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before starting our video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon by which you can watch my videos. Guys, we are discussing how to earn money online in the market, and the market is very down. To support your families, here we are discussing one way how to make money online in stocks. The secret is to making money in the stocks, staying invested long term through good times and bad. Here is how to do it. The stock market's average bank account are bonds. So why do many people fail to earn 10% deposit investing in the stock market? Many does not stay invested long. So the key to making money in stocks, to remaining in the stock market, your length of time in the market is the best move in and out bad times. To make money investing in stocks, stay invested. More time equals more opportunity for your investment. These greater earnings with a higher stock price. The higher price translates into a return for investors who can own the stock. You shall need a brokerage account before you can start investing. Here is how to open one. It only takes about 15 minutes. More time in the market also allows you to collect dividends. If the company market on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, you can kiss those dividends goodbye, because you likely would not own the stock at the critical points on the calendar to capture the payouts. If that's not convincing, consider this. Over the 15 years through 2017, the market returned 9.9% annually to those who remained fully invested, according to Putnam Investments. In the period, your annually return dropped to 5%. If you missed the 20 best days, your annual return dropped to 2%. If you missed 30 best days, you are actually lost money. Making money in the stocks. Here is how return on the sales and purchase. 5%, 500 index found would fare if you had missed the number of top days. In other words, you would not have to monitor the market either for just 10 extra critical days. No one can predict which days those are going to be. However, so investors must stay invested the whole time to capture them. The longer you are in, the closer you will get to that historical average annual return of 10%. 3 excuses that keep you from making money investing. Where the goods go on sale and everything becomes too afraid to buy. That may sound silly, but it is exactly that happens when the market dips even a few percent. So it's often does. Investors become scared and sell in a panic. Yet when prices rises, investors plunge in headlong. It's a perfect recipe for buying. Wait until the stock market is safe to invest. There is one excuse. This excuse is used by investors after stocks have declined when they are too afraid to buy into the market. Maybe stocks have been declining a few days in a row, or perhaps they have been on a long term decline, but when for to be safe, they are waiting for prices to climb. So waiting for the high time. What drives this behavior? Fear is the guiding emotion, but psychologists call this more specific behavior myopic loss version. That is, investors would rather avoid a short term loss than second excuse. If you buy back in next week when it's lower. This excuse is used by to drop investment show investors never know which way stocks will move on any given day. Experience, especially in the short term, stock or the market could just as easily rate as fall next week. Smart investors buy stock drives the behavior. It could be fear for or greed. Fearful investors may worry the stock is going to fall before the next week and waits, while the greedy investors expect to fall but wants to try to get a much better price than today's. Excuse, I am bored on this stock, so I am selling. This excuse is used by investors who need excitement from their investments, like action is as a casino, but smart investments is actually boring. The best investors sit on their stocks quick hit game. Usually all the gains come while you wait, not while you are trading in and out of the market. What drives this behavior? An investor desire for excitement. Hello guys, if you have any queries or question, come to in my comment section. Stay connected with us. Take care of yourself.